All right, what we're looking at is the dissection of a garter snake, and I'm going to go through and point out some of the structures that you will need to know for your dissection itself. We're looking at the ventral region that's been cut open. In this area right here is the esophagus, and the esophagus continues to lead down into the stomach. So this is the stomach region. We know that it's the stomach region because it's associated with this structure, which is the gallbladder, and this structure, which is the pancreas. In between the two of them, there's a small little dot. That's going to be your spleen. The stomach then leads down here to the small intestines, and we'll continue the digestive tract here. The small intestines lead to then the colon, which is the large tube that runs all the way down until it reaches this area right here, which is going to be the cloaca, or the vent. Coming back to this most anterior region of the snake, we can pull some of the muscle apart, and we can locate the trachea, which is that ridged structure which allows air to pass through. The air passes through the trachea and leads to the lung, and this is the right lung, and it's really large. If you open it up inside, you can see kind of like a spider web mesh network. Just anterior to the lung and posterior to the trachea, this is the heart of the snake. Remember, it's a reptile, so it only has 3 chambers: a central ventricle, a right and left atrium or auricle. As we continue past the lung, what we notice is this large structure right here, and this is the liver. And the liver is attached to the gallbladder via the bile duct. We've already looked at, again, the gallbladder, spleen, and the pancreas, and we continue down past the small intestines to find the gender of the snake. You can see this structure right here, which has a matching counterpart on the other side of the small intestines, and these are the testes, so this makes this a male. The testes is connected to the squiggly little line called the vas deferens that travels all the way down to the bottom of the cloaca, where the sperm will then exit out the hemipenes, or the hemipene. This structure right here is the kidney, and it also has a counter or a matching structure on the side which regulates the blood in the body and filters out all of this waste. Down here we can look and tell that this is a male by the scales on the tail and the width after the cloaca and the length itself.